I found this wall art. It was only $4, and even though I knew I wasn't gonna hang it the way it's displayed, I thought I could probably repurpose it. So instead, I removed the wooden pieces holding the art together, and I'll probably use these wooden pieces to create a wooden frame actually for another project. So I'm saving these. And I had this thrifted frame I wanted to use, so I traced the back of the frame onto the art. I was a little bit hesitant because I didn't really want to cut the artwork, so I did it anyway. So I carefully cut it, and for some reason, I don't know why, but I could never cut a straight line with scissors. So I took my sweet time. I don't know what's wrong with me. I can never cut a straight line, but I finally did it. And so I slid the artwork into my new frame. I think the frame was like $1 at the thrift store, and the art was $4. So for a total of $5, we have some beautiful frame to display on the bookshelves.